This is the old primary drive clutch, and I'm pretty sure all of these bolts are probably stripped out at some point. I think the weights are all messed up in this. This vibrates horribly because the counterweights in here are messed up and broke apart. So I'm hoping it will remedy that. This is also fairly loose in here. So I'm hoping to get a little bit more top speed out of it. So while taking this apart here, I'll tell you the upgrades I've done to this. I've pretty much removed the governor, put a brand new carburetor on it and a pod filter, and jetted the carburetor, which kind of sucks because the rev limiter, which it's nice because you're never going to blow your engine up, but you can only hit a certain top speed. Like this golf cart will only hit 22 miles an hour with the current setup. And I'm hoping that the new drive clutch will either get us there faster. We got to get this big nut off down here in the bottom. Pull this side off, slide the belt off. That's all right, come on. There we go. Take this belt off. Pretty simple. Don't have to take it fully off, but just get it out of the way. Try a little bit of percussion here. Oh, I'm not doing that. There we go. That seems better. So all we got to do is put the new one on this and then drive that new bolt in, or rather the old bolt. I'll make sure this belt can slip on. Nice. That's on. Just got to tighten this and then put the cap on. Here's the new belt. Some of these belts, or some of these clutches, you'll have a flat side and a side that has a little slope to it, or a little bit of, angle. So you want the flat side on the flat side and the angled side on the angled side. Now this is angled on both sides, so it doesn't really matter which way you put this belt. I don't know if it's a better idea to get it on the back front first or the front first. Probably on the front first. Just drive that belt backwards. It's a little grease fitting right there. I want to put some grease in there. Give it a few squeezes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. Should be good enough. Put our battery back in. Let's test this. Belt expanding out. That's good. Last thing we got to do is take it for a test ride, see how it takes off, and see if it changes our top speed whatsoever. All right, let's take this for a little golf cart ride. Gear. Got our speedo down here.